jQuery Tutorial Chapter 1. Introduction and Get Started. jQuery Introduction. The purpose of jQuery is to make it much easier to use JavaScript on your website. Before you start studying jQuery, you should have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. jQuery is a lightweight, write less, do more, JavaScript library. The purpose of jQuery is to make it much easier to use JavaScript on your website. jQuery takes a lot of common tasks that require many lines of JavaScript code to accomplish, and wraps them into methods that you can call with a single line of code. jQuery also simplifies a lot of the complicated things from JavaScript, like AJAX calls and DOM manipulation. The jQuery library contains the following features: HTML/DOM manipulation, CSS manipulation, HTML event methods, effects and animations, AJAX, utilities. Tip: in addition, jQuery has plugins for almost any task out there. There are lots of other JavaScript frameworks out there, but jQuery seems to be the most popular, and also the most extendable. Many of the biggest companies on the web use jQuery, such as Google, Microsoft, IBM, Netflix. jQuery gets started. There are several ways to start using jQuery on your website. You can download the jQuery library from jquery.com. Include jQuery from a CDN, like Google. There are two versions of jQuery available for downloading. Production version: this is for your live website because it has been minified and compressed. Development version: this is for testing and development, uncompressed and readable code. Both versions can be downloaded from jquery.com. The jQuery library is a single JavaScript file, and you reference it with the HTML script tag. Notice that the script tag should be inside the head section. Tip: place the downloaded file in the same directory as the pages where you wish to use it. Note: do you wonder why we do not have type equals text/JavaScript inside the script tag? This is not required in HTML5. JavaScript is the default scripting language in HTML5 and in all modern browsers. If you don't want to download and host jQuery yourself, you can include it from a CDN, Content Delivery Network. Both Google and Microsoft host jQuery. To use jQuery from Google or Microsoft, use one of the following. This is an example of a Google CDN. This is an example of a Microsoft CDN. Many users already have downloaded jQuery from Google or Microsoft when visiting another site. As a result, it will be loaded from cache when they visit your site, which leads to faster loading time. Also, most CDNs will make sure that once a user requests a file from it, it will be served from the server closest to them, which also leads to faster loading time.